Is it a good time to buy or sell Redhill Biopharma Ltd stock? In this video, we will be taking a closer look at Redhill Biopharma Ltd. We previously published a report on our website on Wednesday, November 29, 2023. Now, we are back with a more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. It's important to stay informed about any significant updates that may impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with the help of our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 27, 2023, our system has ranked Redhill Biopharma Ltd as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, Redhill Biopharma Ltd has shown an impressive gain of 188% since we initially recommended buying it just 3 days ago. This means the stock has delivered an average return of 62.67% per day since it was classified as hold/accumulate. With a score of 0, our system indicates high volatility and risk for the next trading day. As a result, we are unable to predict the stock's upcoming direction with certainty. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential decrease of 5.05% in the next 3 months. The estimated return during this period could range from -92.01% to -5.05%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 2.31% change in the next 12 months. The potential return during this period could range from -92.35% to 75.72%. This implies that the price could range from $0.220 to $5.06 after a year. Our latest update on Redhill Biopharma Ltd brings an important headline: big movements in Redhill Biopharma Ltd stock price on Wednesday, with a 33.88% fluctuation between the high and low points. On the last trading day, Wednesday, November 29, 2023, the stock price of Redhill Biopharma Ltd increased by 26.32%, going from $2.28 to $2.88. This marks its 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if the upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. Throughout the previous trading day, the stock experienced a significant fluctuation of 33.88%, ranging from a low of $2.45 to a high of $3.28. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances and has surged by an impressive 752.32% in the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by 52 million shares on the last day, with a total of 95 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $272.78 million. It is worth noting that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning sign for potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $5.70, while the lowest price was $0.126. Currently, the price stands at 49.47% below the 52-week high, which is $2.82 lower, and at 82.59% below the all-time high on August 4, 2016, when it reached $16.54. According to analysts, Redhill Biopharma Ltd stock has received a general rating of neutral. They consider the PE ratio as neutral and the price to book as also neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a sell rating. Today we're going to analyze the signals for Redhill Biopharma Ltd. Let's get started. The Redhill Biopharma Ltd stock is showing positive indicators from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals indicates a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. On the downside, there is support at $1.06 and $0.541. If the stock breaks below these levels, it may trigger sell signals. However, on Friday, October 13, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in an impressive rise of 800% so far. This upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is identified. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. Although volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains, this divergence between volume and price should be monitored closely as it could be an early warning sign. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals that can help guide your investment decisions. First up is the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently showing a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots indicator, which indicated a buy signal 33 days ago. The Bollinger indicator also provided a buy signal 120 days ago. Additionally, the short-term moving average signaled a buy 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy 4 days ago. When we consider the relation between the short and long moving averages, we see a buy signal 4 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart and analyze the signals it provides. The short moving average signaled a buy 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average showed a buy signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 107 days ago. For more signals and insights, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Redhill Biopharma Ltd. Let's take a look at the support, risk, and stop loss for Redhill Biopharma Ltd. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level at $2.28, based on accumulated volume. However, it's important to note that there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, which increases the risk. If the stock drops below the support at $2.28, we may see a significant drop in the stock price. It's worth mentioning that this stock has a high level of volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval for this stock, further indicating its high-risk nature. Looking at the past day, the stock had a price difference of 83 cents between its highest and lowest points, representing a 33.88% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 51.51%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Redhill Biopharma Ltd, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. It's not uncommon for established companies to face downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios can be a sign of inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Today, we're going to take a look at some potential day trading levels for Redhill Biopharma Ltd. When analyzing the stock's performance, we can see that there's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above. This suggests that if the right conditions are met, the stock could move upward swiftly. As a trader, you might consider entering a position and using volume as an indicator to determine when to exit. On the downside, Redhill Biopharma Ltd encounters its first support level at $2.28. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders anticipating a rebound. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $2.81, which is a decrease of 2.54%. This particular stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in higher risk. The RSI 14, a key indicator of market momentum, currently stands at 98, further increasing the risk associated with this stock. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 32 days ago. Is Redhill Biopharma Ltd stock a good buy? While Redhill Biopharma Ltd holds several positive signals, we believe that they are not sufficient to consider it as a buy candidate. Instead, we recommend holding or accumulating the stock in this position and keeping an eye on further developments. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, November 30th, we anticipate Redhill Biopharma Ltd to open down by $0.0100 and begin trading at $2.87. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us does not serve as the basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome back to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current view of this stock. We value your opinion, so please feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know what your target for this stock is. Like and subscribe to stay updated on our latest analysis. Our team wishes you successful trading and hopes you have a fantastic day.